do a special one for our special friend,
Marion.
Yeah. Enjoy it. Please don't mind our voices.
Mine especially, please. Oh my God.
What would I do without your smile mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. Got my head spinning, no kidding. I can't pin you down. What's going on in your beautiful mind? I'm your magical ride.
I can't get you. Okay, that was
Someone from school. Tanya. She's one of.
How are you?
What? Where have you girls been?
No,
oh my
where
God.
have you been? Like, we only see you on TV, billboard, magazines. Like, what?
As per the supermodel that she is.
I know now.
Yeah.
You know what?
been
I think
ages.
we should definitely hang out. So we're gonna exchange contact and then hang out, alright?
Definitely.
Make sure you call.
Of course I will.
Definitely.
Please just put your number
Alright,
here.
sure.
Like, what? It's been a while. I was like,
Here
here you
okay,
go.
thank you.
Okay.
I am definitely going to call and we should hang out.
Yes,
alright?
totally, we should.
Okay, so guys,
Take care of
take
yourself,
care, have
okay?
fun. Bye.
Bye. Oh my God. I was like, isn't that